Stepping into the world of indoor gardening can feel a bit like stepping into a jungle for the first time. Exciting, full of possibilities, but also overwhelming. Rows of unfamiliar greenery, dozens of potting options, and endless advice can leave even the most eager new plant parents scratching their head. But here's the secret. You don't need to be a horticultural expert to enjoy the benefits of indoor plants. What you need is a plant you love, a little patience, and a few simple care tips. Indoor plants do more than just look good. They brighten up your living space, improve air quality, and can even boost your mood. Imagine coming home after a long day to a home filled with vibrant greenery, trailing vines, or a flowering beauty. It's like having a mini oasis right in your living room. And the best part? There are many plants that practically take care of themselves. Below, we've rounded up some of the best beginner-friendly houseplants that are low-maintenance, resilient, and endlessly rewarding to grow. Consider this your starter pack for building a lush indoor garden, one plant at a time. Who knows, one small leaf could be the start of a lifelong green friendship. 1. Pothos, or Epipremnum aureum, the trailing beauty. Golden pothos is a classic favorite for beginners, and it's easy to see why. Its trailing vines grow quickly and can be trained to climb an indoor trellis, cascade from a bookshelf, or hang gracefully near a window. Varieties like golden pothos feature vibrant yellow-green leaves, marble queen shows creamy white variegation, and satin pothos, or Syndapsis pictus, offers velvety silver-speckled leaves for a soft, elegant touch. Care tips. Thrives in bright, indirect light, but tolerates shadier spots. Water thoroughly, then allow soil to dry between waterings. Yellow leaves indicate under or overwatering. Never let water sit in the saucer for more than 30 to 45 minutes to avoid root rot. 2. Spider plant, or Chlorophodon comosum, the generous grower. The spider plant is beloved for its cheerful, arching leaves and its constant generosity of baby spiderettes. These little offshoots can either remain on the mother plant or be rooted in water to create new plants for friends, family, or your own collection. Care tips. Prefers bright, indirect light, but will tolerate moderate shade. Water thoroughly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry. Brown leaf tips often indicate low humidity. Group plants together, mist occasionally, or use a small humidifier. 3. ZZ plant, or Zamioculus zamiifolia, the glossy, hard-working survivor. The ZZ plant is a striking addition to any indoor space, with its glossy green leaves arranged neatly along its stems. Its opposite phyllotaxis, meaning two leaves grow at each point along the stem, gives it a symmetrical, polished look. Care tips. Thrives in low light conditions, though it prefers moderate indirect light. Extremely drought tolerant, water deeply but infrequently. Avoids soggy soil. ZZ plants prefer to be slightly underwatered than overwatered. 4. Ponytail palm, or Bocarna recurvata, the statement plant. The ponytail palm is as dramatic as it is low maintenance. Its swollen trunk stores water, making it highly drought tolerant, while its long, curly leaves create a whimsical silhouette reminiscent of a tropical island. Care tips. Loves bright light, but can't tolerate lower light in winter. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Brown, crispy leaves or a wrinkled trunk indicate it's thirsty. Water deeply, but less often. Frequency is more important than quantity. 5. Snake plant, or Sansevieria trifasciate, the indestructible classic. Snake plants are practically indestructible and can handle everything from low light to drafts. Their sword-like, variegated leaves make them a bold statement in any room, while their tolerance for neglect makes them perfect for busy lifestyles. Care tips. Water sparingly, especially in winter, only once every 2 months. Can thrive in direct, indirect, or low-light conditions. Excellent air purifier, along with spider plants and peace lilies. 6. Peace lily, or Spathiphyllum wallacei, the flowering wonder. For a flowering option that's beginner-friendly, the peace lily is perfect. Its lush green leaves and elegant white blooms, spathe, bring a touch of sophistication to any indoor garden. It even produces flowers indoors with proper light. Care tips: enjoys medium to bright indirect light, will bloom more in brighter spots. Water thoroughly and let soil dry before watering again. Use the weight test to determine dryness. Lift the pot after watering, then check it a few days. A few extra tips for beginner gardeners. Start slow. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many plants at once. Group plants. Grouping plants creates a mini humid microclimate, especially useful for tropical varieties. Rotate and observe. Rotate plants periodically so they grow evenly. Watch their leaves for signs of stress. Propagation. Many beginner plants like pothos and spider plants are easy to propagate, perfect for sharing with friends or creating your indoor jungle. Indoor gardening doesn't have to be intimidating. By starting with these low-maintenance, beginner-friendly plants, you'll build confidence while adding life, color, and even cleaner air to your home. Each plant is a little companion that rewards your care with growth, beauty, and personality. Who knows, that first trailing vine or shiny ZZ leaf may be the start of a lifelong love for greenery. Before long, your home could blossom into a thriving indoor jungle full of plants you nurture, propagate, and proudly display. Take the plunge today. Pick a plant, give it a home, and watch as your confidence and your indoor garden grows.